Need to make money fast? Whether you're saving up for something special or just in a pinch, we've got 5 practical ways to boost your income quickly. Let's dive in. Step 1, freelance your skills. If you've got a marketable skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, web development, or even social media management, you can start freelancing today. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer let you connect with clients who need help with short-term projects. Set up a profile, offer your services, and get to work. It's one of the fastest ways to make money if you've got the skills. Step 2, offer local services. There are plenty of opportunities to make fast money in your neighborhood. Think dog walking, babysitting, house cleaning, or running errands. Apps like Rover for dog walking or TaskRabbit for odd jobs can connect you with people nearby who need help. You can even try delivery services like DoorDash or Instacart, where you get paid for picking up and delivering groceries or food right to people's doors. Step 3, sell unused items. Look around your home. What do you no longer need? Selling things like clothes, electronics, or furniture on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark can help you clear out clutter and make money fast. Take clear pictures, write good descriptions, and you'll be selling in no time. Step 4, take online surveys. It's not a huge income, but if you need a quick cash boost, taking online surveys can be an easy option. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Inbox Dollars pay you for sharing your opinion on products and services. While this won't make you rich, it can be a simple way to make a little extra money during your free time. Step 5, drive for a rideshare service. If you have a car, driving for services like Uber or Lyft can be an excellent way to earn money fast. Plus, you get to decide when you want to work, so you can fit it into your schedule. During busy hours or in high-demand areas, you can make good money quickly. It's flexible and you're paid fast. Remember, these are just a few ways to make quick money, but always be mindful of your time and effort. Whether it's freelancing, offering local services, or selling items you no longer need, there's no shortage of ways to make money fast.